Welcome back to Origami videos. Let's make this Santa Claus together. You will need a square piece of paper and start with the white side facing upwards. First you will fold your paper in half on a diagonal line. And now open it and fold it in half on the second diagonal line. But this time just press the middle of the paper downwards to mark it and open it back. And next step, fold this bottom corner of the paper up to this middle mark. Like this, and now flip your paper over and fold the sides of the paper inwards, so align this bottom line of paper with this middle line. So fold it upwards, align it and press it down, and do the same with this left side. So fold it to the middle line and press it down. And in next step, you will fold this part of the paper in half, so bring this inner line to this outside line. And the same here. Now flip paper over again and fold this corner of paper up to this corner right here, so fold it in half. Now open it and fold this corner to this new line. And now fold this part of the paper in half, so bring this bottom line to this middle line. Like so. And now just roll it over to this line. Like this. In next step, bring this bottom corner of paper to this upper, so fold it in half. Press it down. And now open it so that you will align it with this bottom line. Like this, and flip your paper over and fold these outside lines into this center line. So grab all the layers, align them with the middle line and press them down on both sides. And just turn it around and you've made your Santa. And if you open the legs a little bit, like so, your Santa can stay. And then just close this part of the legs inward. And this is how you make paper Santa. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you next one. Bye!